facing death fear consciously, even once with integrity and authenticity, will dissolve a lot of fears and give you the courage of facing fear and not being stopped by it. Let us face the fear of death. Which is basically a powerful fear. It is more like a fear of unknown. Please listen. See, even if everything is going well in your life, you just create the fear of something which is unknown to you. Who knows, this may happen suddenly, that may happen. If you celebrate the possibilities of possibilities, you are planning for miracles in your life. If you are afraid of possibilities of possibilities, you are destroying yourself with fear. Death fear is nothing but the fear of unknown possibilities. With integrity and authenticity, let us go into that unknown possibilities. You are not going to die physically, don't worry. But all the unknown possibilities you go on cherish. That is a big problem. You start sometime enjoying the unknown possibilities. Otherwise, why will you see the horror movies? Why will you see the movies which shows the disasters? Why these movies like a 2012 and all become super hit? Showing the disaster scenes. Understand? The fear of unknown you start enjoying unconsciously in course of time. Now, with integrity and authenticity, let us enter into the fear of death and all the fears you carry around the death. First, go into every fear you have about losing your wealth, health. Complete those fears. When you relive them, you will relieve them. With each fear, complete. Finally, complete with the death itself. Let the completion with death itself happen. I'll guide you. When I say facing the fears, for example, you have the fear of losing the money, wealth. All right. If anything can be lost, it can be lost. What can be done about it? You can neither quicken the loss nor delay the loss. You have to take the responsibility when you have it. You have to take the responsibility when you lose it. So what can be done? Nothing can be done. Just your ability to take responsibility only will stand by you, stand with you. Whether you have money or lose money. Coming to this authentic clarity with every fear, facing it, spending time with it, completing it. For each one, completion will happen in a different way. For somebody, just by your integrity, the fears will disappear. Why should I give a negative commitments to me? Fears will disappear. For some people, because you face them, the fear will lose power over you. For some people, because you are ready to take the responsibility, just the fear will lose hold over you. It can happen in any way, but completion with fear will happen when you spend time with each fear. When you sit with integrity and authenticity with each fear, completion will happen. Through this process, I am helping you to complete with each fear, finally with death itself. So please spread all over the hall, tie the ribbon, have enough space for you to lie down. Please tie the ribbon. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Keep your head, neck and the backbone straight. Please sit straight. Keep your head, backbone and neck straight. Don't lie down now. Sit straight. First, complete each fear you carry. Fear of losing health, losing wealth, losing name and fame, identity, fear of the love, losing the love, fear of ghosts. One by one, complete with all the fears you carry. Look at those fears with integrity and authenticity. Face them directly. Complete with each fears, one by one, by declaring to yourself, you are free from it. First, relive them and relieve them.